Welcome back, everybody. It's What's for Supper Wednesday, and today I'm going to be fixing some ham and noodle casserole. I've got a leftover piece of ham here. A lot of times what we do to save some money is I'll fix a ham the first of the week. Then through the week we'll have heat up the ham, have sandwiches or ham biscuits, or I'll do something like this to use up the ham, but we have it about 4 times a week. Some people don't like to repeat, but this saves us some money. So we're going to need about 1.5 to 2 cups of ham or more, whatever you want to put in it. 2 cups of any kind of pasta you like. We like the egg noodles. 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. 1/2 cup of milk. 2 cups of shredded cheese, and some salt and pepper. I'm also going to need 2 tablespoons of butter melted. You can also add any vegetable you want to it. If you want to add green beans, peas, onion, and the spices, you can add different spices if you want to. First off, I'm going to boil the pasta noodles and cut up my ham into some chunks. I'm going to put my noodles in and cook them 6 to 8 minutes, just according to your package directions on your pasta. Don't overcook it because you're going to be putting this in the oven too. While the noodles are cooking, I cut up the ham. I've got a chunk left, and what I'll probably do is either shred it up for salads, or I'll put it in the freezer and I'll get it out later on and make some ham and bean soup to can. Okay, to a bowl, I'm going to add my mushroom soup, cream of mushroom soup. The milk. Melted butter. Get that stirred up, and I'm going to add the cheese, the 1 cup of cheese. Save the other cup for on top of your casserole. Add the ham. Salt and pepper to your taste. I've got about a 1/2 teaspoon maybe. And then your pasta. I have my oven set to 375. I've got a 9x13 pan sprayed. Make sure you get the sides sprayed too so it don't stick. Now I'm going to add the other cup of cheese to the top. I'm going to put this, I'll put some foil on top. I'm going to bake it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Then take the foil off and bake it for another 8 minutes or so. Here it is out of the oven. Let's plate it up. There you have it, everybody. Ham and noodle casserole.
All right, let's give this a try. That's a winner, folks. It's good. You did great, Shug.
Alrighty. Want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.